We're here with our friends from Wilo to not only learn a little bit more about Riveredge Nature Center, but our responsibility as citizens to make sure we conserve our environment and give back and protect our beautiful landscapes here in Wisconsin.
We have about 25 volunteers from Wilo. Wilo group contributed to their wet lab.
We originally split off into two groups of 15. There's a group planting herbaceous, diverse species that we rescued from a site, and there's another group planting bare root, woody trees and shrubs.
We chopped it up, put it in the bucket, and made sure we took out the invasive roots, brought it over, and we're planting it here. I did 5 buckets, and so there was about 4 plants.
A lot of active bodies, getting some dogwoods and other things into the ground here to help take care of this beautiful space that children and people from throughout southeastern Wisconsin are going to be able to enjoy for years to come.
There's a lot of stories here with everything that we're trying to install to connect people back to the planet, back to the earth.
This is a great opportunity for Wilo and the Bucks as part of our scoring for sustainability. Yeah, we're excited to do more in conjunction with the Bucks.